Hey, so does Jungle Scout work in Brazil? Is it available for the Amazon Brazil marketplace? And which tools of Jungle Scout work in Amazon Brazil? Jungle Scout is software for Amazon sellers. And in this video, we're going to see it all step by step. I'm going to explain to you which tools by Jungle Scout work in Brazil and how they can help you, what those tools do. My name is Bob Evan. Great to meet you, seller on Amazon. In the description, you also have the best discounts for Jungle Scout in a playlist with over 100 tutorials for Jungle Scout. So let's see. We have this also page in the description, a list of supported countries. There's going to be this nice table that explains exactly which tools work in which marketplace, but I'm going to make it easier for you, hopefully. So look, support for different stores depends on the specific product feature. At this time, Jungle Scout is fully compatible with the following Amazon marketplaces, and we don't have Brazil here, but we have Brazil here in this part, number 9. In addition, we offer limited support for the following stores. So Amazon Brazil is currently getting more and more kind of support by Jungle Scout tools, but not all of them work there. So let's see exactly what works. Amazon Brazil is the one here on the right, BR. So let's see the features on the left and what's available and what's not. So home dashboard, basically the dashboard of the Jungle Scout itself. Just when you log into Jungle Scout, you'll see the dashboard. It's fully available for all the marketplaces, and it's just a way to navigate through Jungle Scout. Next one is Toolbox, Sales Estimator and Listing Grader. Sales Estimator is a tool that can help you find the amount of sales a specific product does per month on Amazon. Listing Grader shows you the kind of grade of listings, how good they are or how bad those listings are. It's not available for Amazon Brazil. So basically another alternative for Brazil. Again, it's also developing and it's just new. It's Helium 10. I'm going to have for you down in the description free trial and best discounts for Helium 10. They also work with Brazil. A bit limited as well, but you can also check in the description which tools are available for Helium 10 in Brazil. Maybe you're in need of specific tools, so you have it down there as well. So let's continue. Product research, and none of the tools for now of Jungle Scout work for Amazon Brazil. So there's Product Tracker, Product Database, Opportunity Finder, Category Trends. Product Tracker is a tool that helps you track products. So let's say you found a nice product, you want to follow along and see like the sales of the product and kind of the information of the product on some specific time kind of span. And it's not available for Brazil. Product Database and Opportunity Finder, also two tools for product research that help you find good products on Amazon based on specific criteria you input there. For example, you can input criteria into Product Database that shows you products that do, let's say, over $20,000 per month, and they have less than 10 reviews, and they are less than 1 kilogram, okay, in the weight, or whatever that is in pounds. Maybe, let's say about 2.2 pounds is about 1 kilogram. So you're going to see a list of these products using Product Database and Product kind of Opportunity Finder, but they're not available for Brazil. Unfortunately, you have the playlist of all the Jungle Scout tutorials in the description where you can see exactly how those tools work, but they're not available for Brazil. Those ones. Category Trends is only a tool that works with Amazon US, basically shows you the best kind of sellers in specific categories on Amazon, but you can simply go to best sellers on Amazon Brazil and find those yourself, and it's not available. Suppliers, also we have the supplier database, which is a tool by Jungle Scout that helps you find good suppliers for your products based on the competition and some other kind of parameters. For example, you can input a specific product on Amazon and try to find its suppliers through the database. It only works with the United States market, not available for Brazil or any other marketplace. It's a nice tool. Of course, I have a tutorial for how to use it in my playlist of tutorials, but not available for Brazil. Supplier Tracker is available with Brazil. Basically, it's a tool that allows you to organize your suppliers in one place, your invoices, just good for organization of your business, fully available with Amazon Brazil. And the next one is keywords. So again, for now, nothing is available for Amazon Brazil. So Keyword Scout is a tool that helps you find keywords to different products, and it's not available with Amazon Brazil. Keyword Lists is a tool that allows you to organize the keywords that you found into specific lists. And from those lists, you can then use the listing builder here to build a listing from basically those keywords. And again, it's not available for Amazon Brazil. Rank Tracker is a tool that helps you see the rank of specific keywords on Amazon. For example, you found a keyword of a competitor or yourself, your own product, like let's say it's a gardening shovel with big handle, for example, and you want to see on which page it's ranking, and you want to see what position of the keyword it's ranking on. So maybe it's on position number 10, page number 1. So you can have kind of all your keywords that are the best keywords for a product organized in rank tracker, or the keywords of your competition. But again, it's not available for Amazon Brazil, unfortunately. Marketing review automation is available for Amazon Brazil, so that's nice. So if you're selling products on Amazon Brazil and you want to request reviews automatically from the sales that you're making, Jungle Scout will send an automatic email that is kind of approved by Amazon, and it's like the Amazon template for an email to a customer, and then they might leave you a review. So that's fully available for Amazon Brazil, so that's nice if you're looking to get more reviews. And then we have the next part is sales analytics. So profit overview, P&L statement, and other transactions. Those tools help you kind of see the final profits you're making on Amazon, or on Amazon Brazil in this case. And it's fully available. So you can input the cost of your products there, and kind of along with the algorithms of Jungle Scout that connect your Seller Central, you will see the final profits of your business, because on Amazon itself you do see the sales, but it's very limited, and actually you can't really input the prices that the products cost for you. And generally with these tools like profit overview, P&L statement, you can have it way more detailed for your business, so you can actually see if you're making money or not. So I would recommend if you're looking to actually see the actual results of your business, to use those tools. And yeah, they work with Amazon Brazil, so it's nice. Again, you have tutorials of how to use sales analytics tools by Jungle Scout in the playlist of the tutorials in the description. Of course, there are best discounts for Jungle Scout there as well. Yeah, so also this page, of course, is down in the description too. Next one is advertising analytics. It's a tool for PPC, pay-per-click on Amazon by Jungle Scout. We have a tutorial for that as well. Basically, it's a tool that helps you work with your pay-per-click campaigns on Amazon, and it's more kind of sophisticated than the normal one by Amazon itself. Again, some people work just with the interface of Amazon. Some people use tools like advertising analytics. And of course, as I mentioned, we have tutorial for that. Manage products is the next part here. Inventory manager and product settings and costs. Great tool that helps you not go out of stock and not overstock with your products. It's going to basically show you the sales of your products on Amazon, and it's going to show you if you're going out of stock, if you're running out of stock basically, or you have too much stock and when to order more stock. You input different criteria, like how long it takes you to produce your products, how long it takes you to ship them. Jungle Scout connects to the Seller Central, then it sees the amount of sales you're making, and it calculates and just tells you when to order stock. It's very comfortable. I really recommend you using those tools for inventory management. So let's scroll down a little bit. Now we have the extension, which is a great tool for Amazon product research, product validation. You can use the following marketplaces with the extension. Currently, we don't have Brazil here. Of course, I recommend you checking out this page to see if in the future, because maybe you're watching this video 2 years from now, and just get updated and see if Amazon Brazil does work with the extension. I'm pretty sure if you're watching it 2 years from now, it's going to be compatible. If Amazon Brazil still is a thing, and if it grows and all that, and Jungle Scout continues working there, it's in the description for you, along with the best discounts. You can also download the extension through the link in the description to use it, but not for Brazil at the moment. Best discounts, playlist of tutorials. It's also going to appear here on the screen, the playlist of over 100 Jungle Scout tutorials for different parts here that will show you how to use, for example, product database, opportunity finder, keyword scout. All those parts pretty much are covered by those tutorials, and the page that you're seeing here on the screen is also linked for you down in the description. I'm wishing you a great day, have a great life, and good luck to you.